Hey y'all, it's me Sydney and welcome back to Planet Syd. So today we are going to be installing an $89 Amazon wig. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, then stay tuned. These are the hair details. This is the wig. I tried to bleach the knots, but my bleach was expired, so it didn't really do anything. So I'm just gonna put some makeup on the part. But yes, the hair so far is really nice. I did like a little shampoo and conditioner as well. Yeah, it is giving 30 inches, and I did already braid my hair down. Ooh. I'm just putting makeup on the lace since the knots didn't bleach. I'm gonna cut the lace off right now. Usually I do like a little fake try on just to make sure that this bitch is, you know, positioned correctly in this, that, and the third. Also, I did not pluck this wig. I don't have time or capacity. I came in my bathroom now because I needed better lighting, but I just plucked the part and then I just put some more of that makeup on it. And then while it's laying is when I'll be flat ironing. So I'm just gonna pin this back just to make sure the hair is out of the way.
We hit the club, niggas cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. That brown the blood, she not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back it's away. She wasn't on a road, now she want on my brother. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crews. Yeah, I wish to you. But she the light skin girl and the light skin crew. Y'all know what I do. I'm still saying, this bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back this away.
I'm about to add some baby hairs, but oh my gosh, it's slightly giving.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, this is the final look. I'm tired as fuck. Let me see what it looked like with my glasses on. Oh, okay, I ate. Anyways, this is the final look featuring my big head. And just to go over the details again, this is a 30-inch unit. It was $89 from Amazon. I believe the brand is bunGiol hair, something like that. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, this is a 30-inch unit and it's straight, of course, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal. And yeah, I think I ate on this little install. I'm tired as hell and I have a flight to catch tomorrow, so I'm about to go to bed. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed until the end, be sure to check out my clothing brand, Make Hair Through the Label, and my makeup brand, Box Office Beauty. It's a movie themed makeup brand. Also be sure to check out my blog, planetsyd.net. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys feel safe and sane wherever you are, and I hope you guys are finding joy and fulfillment on your journey of self-expression. Until next time.